The world of animals. We can see variety of animals around us. These are of different shapes and sizes. Some animals like dogs and cats are kept at home. Some animals are called pets. Animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep, hens, etc. are kept in farm. They are called farm animals. Pet animals and farm animals are together called domestic animals. These animals are very useful to us. Some animals like lion, tiger, zebra and deer live in forests. They are called wild animals. Where do animals live? Pets and farm animals live in man-made homes. Wild animals live in natural shelters. Birds live on trees and build nests to lay eggs. Animals like fish and whale live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Few animals need land and water both to survive. Like frogs, toads, tortoise, such animals are called amphibians. What do animals eat? Animals also need food to live. Different animals have different feeding habits. Depending upon the feeding habits, animals can be grouped as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Herbivores. Some animals eat only grass, fruits, and leaves. They are called herbivores or plant eaters. Buffalo, goat, elephant. Carnivores. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores or flesh eaters. Lion, tiger, leopard. Omnivores. Animals who eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Man, crow, bear. Scavengers. Some animals eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. Jackal, fox, eagle. Points to remember. Animals are of different shapes and sizes. Animals that are kept at home are called pets. Pet animals and farm animals are together called domestic animals. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Pets and farm animals live in man-made houses. Wild animals live in natural shelters. Depending upon the feeding habits, animals are grouped as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores